took the guard off. You can do a lot more without the guard on. Made myself a drink holder. No, it's my Anvil stand. If you make yourself a drink holder, make sure you subtract the length of your cup before you make the legs, because otherwise it'll come out, you know, too tall. Anyway, my Anvil stand with the legs on there, the angles welded up. I think I'm still going to put some kind of cross members across here. Trying to figure out what I want to do with that. Maybe some pipe or some plate or something. But there it is. There's my aftermath of the mess right there. A cracked torch. I bought me a auto darkening lens, which worked out really good. I like that. It's easier, you can see before you start welding it. $35 plus tax. Yeah, I used some angle. I cut it down, 3x3 angle. I just cut it down like 1.5 inches, I think, by 3. Then I used a 1/2 inch plate here and on the bottom. I just rounded off the corners and I made holes so I can like maybe take some rebar and I'll forge some tips on the end of it so I can drive it in like stakes, you know, into the ground. And put some silicone underneath there probably. I thought it was gonna be super, super heavy, but I can pick it up. Turned out pretty good. My first Anvil stand.